In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up a space on Cisco Webex Teams. A space is the dedicated room where your team messages, shares files, and meets. So getting it set up clearly from the start makes everything else smoother. First, open the Webex app on whichever platform you use, desktop, web, or mobile. If you're already signed in, you'll land on your messaging view. If not, sign in so you can access your organization's directory. Next, look toward the top of the app near the search bar or in the Spaces or Messaging panel for the plus icon. This is the Add button that begins the setup. On some layouts, it's a simple plus symbol. On others, you may see a labeled Add or New button. Click it, then choose Create a Space. You'll be prompted to name your space. Pick a clear, descriptive name, like a project title or team function, so people immediately know what it's for. Consistent naming, such as including a client name or sprint number, helps everyone find and revisit the right conversation later. Don't worry, you can update the name if your project evolves. Now add people. Start typing the names of colleagues to pull them from your organization's directory, or type email addresses to invite external guests. External participants can join by email even if they don't share your company's domain, as long as your organization allows it. Double-check addresses for accuracy, and consider adding a brief first message after creation to set context so new members know why they've been invited. When your list looks right, click Create. Your new space will appear in the sidebar with your other conversations. Open it to start chatting, drag and drop files, or select the attachment option to share documents, and use the meeting controls to start or schedule a Webex meeting directly from the space. Everything you share stays in the space, which makes it easy to catch up or search later. A few tips to keep momentum. You can add or remove people at any time as the work group changes, and you can rename the space to reflect a new phase. If you work across multiple devices, the space syncs automatically so you can pick up on mobile when you leave your desk. That's it. Open Webex, tap the plus icon, create a space, name it, invite your collaborators, and click Create. You'll be ready to collaborate in minutes.